challenge again, but this one actually reduced our screen time for me and my brother. Okay, now let's open this small one. Okay, I'm doing the cutting. I took my mom's help and now let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh! It was the Lego box, my favorite solar robot. Could you see this? Thank you, Ma. So I know this as a Lego piece, and they give us an example as this. We can make this as 12 different types of robots. This one, all these designs. Wow, so amazing. Now I'm going to tell the names of robots that we can make from this Lego pieces. This one is Dogbot. You could see all these hands and all these legs and body, right? That's how dog looks. This is a surfboat bot, which has these parts. This is a crab bot. Oh my gosh, this is so insane. Look at this. It has all these claws. Beetle bot. Oh, we should be careful from this. Oh my, these legs are so sharp. Autobot. Ooh, cool one. Zombie bot? No. Okay. Slitherbot. Okay. It looks so wide. And Quadrabot, which is it's kind of tall. Roly-poly bot. Oh, this is the one which was here. Okay, that looks like a ball. Robot. This is Turtle Bot, and the last one, Walker Bot. Oh, okay. This box, we could build 12 different kinds of robots, and this could help us in the future. Once I build one robot, if possible, I will post it. Now, I'm going to open this medium one, and let's see what's inside. Now I'm going to open this. Okay, now here it comes. Oh, another cover. I wonder if this is a safe item. Mommy, you can't be safe. There's another. I hope there's not another cover. Finally, there's no cover. This one. With toys for my brother. These. In this one we have numbers, mathematical sign, and shapes. These are the alphabets in the second one. Okay, in the third one we have all animal names and animal pictures. You could see all animal names. This is the third one, and last, fourth. These are all the vehicles, and it has all names. Be careful with the small parts because kids could put these small parts in their mouth. They may hurt. A B C D E F G